So in today's video we are going to practice another Leetcode problem. Here it's length of last word. So let's read the question first. It says given a string S consists of some word separated by some number of spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is maximum substring consists of non-space character only. Okay, so what we have to do is we will have given a string as which have some element or which have some word into it, and we will have to return the length of the last word. This is what we have to do into the code. So first we will see example. Here it's given as equal to string hello world. So last word is world and we will return the length of the last word. So what the length of the last word? Word is 1 2 3 4 5, so it's 5. Now here it's given as equal to fly me to the moon. So here last word is moon and the length of this last word is 1 2 3 4. It's return 4. Love is still joy boy. So length of this joy boy is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's return 6. This is what we have to do into the code. So let's get into the code. What we will do is we will first split the string into the list, and then we will check the length of the list. Then we will check two different conditions. If the length of list is less than or equal to 0, then we will return 0, and if the length of list is greater than equal to, or you can say it will go in else part, so we will return the length of the last word by using negative indexing. This is what we have to do. So I am writing here step 1. Step 1, split the string into list. Step 2, check the length of list. Step 3, condition. We will write a condition to check if string is empty, then we will return 0. Else we will return the length of last word using indexing, negative indexing. This is what we are going to do into the code. So we will create a variable lst is equal to s dot split split. Okay, so what this will do is it will split the string into the. Now we will write a condition if length of lst is equal to 0, then return 0, else return length of lst minus 1. That's it. Now I will let you see what this split does. Print lst if you don't know what this is, please touch. It will break the hello world into a list. So let's run the code now. See, here it's split into the list, and we have got output 5. So hello world was input 1 2 3 4 5 5. So this is very easy problem. So now we will submit this code. Accept it. So that's for the video. Thank you.